Yes, today I am here at my friend's house, Jeff the Monster. But he is a very good monster, I promise. He loves cookies, but the ones that are very healthy, no sugar. Today we are going to play a game to see how many cookies can we get for him. Let's see how much we all remember. For that, we need to read this text here. Okay, let's do it. It's time for a Halloween party. We have options. I am a witch or I was a witch. I am or I was. Both sound good to me, but okay, I think that if it's time for a Halloween party, that means now, not in the past. And I was a witch points a past situation, okay? So I'm going to choose I am a witch. Am I correct? Yes! I am correct. I got a cookie for the monster. Let's keep reading. I am a witch, my friend. Marta. Options. She's a monster or she are a monster? That's super easy. Can you guess? She is a monster or she are a monster? She is, right? Yes, that's super easy. I'm going to choose that option. Is she a monster? Yes, she is! And we got not just one cookie. We got so many cookies for the monster. Deb, are you happy? I'm sure he is. Let's keep reading. Lucas and Tom, two more options. He is a vampire or they are vampires? Okay, wait a second. Tom, he is, could make sense, but I mean, Tom and Lucas are two boys together. So that points a group, and I think it's better to say they are. They are vampires, are they? Yes, they are, is the correct option. That's great. And whoa. How many cookies are we getting? That's fantastic. You're welcome. He's super happy with my job. The final sentence. We are very excited or you are very excited. Okay. Both are correct, but which one is the best one for this text? Okay. If we read the first sentence, it says, I am a witch. So I am included. That means we, right? That points we. Because if it's you, it's all you and not me. But I am in the party as well. So yes, we are very excited. Are we very excited? Is it correct? Yes, I am correct. We are very excited. Well done. And whoa. How many cookies are we getting for Jeff? That's fantastic, guys. Well done.
Do you want to keep learning with us? Download our worksheets and keep practicing. We have a full method to learn all type of structures in English. Check the description below for more content.